Good morning, guys. It is Thursday now and we're going home tomorrow. But it's a beautiful day today, taking Riley. And we're gonna go to the beach later. So that's nice. And yeah, we're just enjoying the day for now. Okay, so we are at the beach, and yeah, water temperature is supposedly 75, so let's go test. It's not that bad. It's pretty comfy, at least to me anyway. Yeah, here's the murky water of New Jersey. Alright, go in. Ooh, that's chilly. Water. I ain't alone.
You're like a stereotypical cartoon. That's what it was.
Not bad. Once you get used to it. Birds out there. We got this kid over here. Bam. Nice. I still haven't wet my head, but it's not bad. Kind of plain. Anyway, check out underneath the water. Yeah, it's kind of dirty and murky. Alright guys, it's later, and I'm in my mom's car. I took it. Back there is a GameStop. I don't know if you can see it or not. But yeah. So I'm just gonna go in, see what's what. It's the only really game store around here, and then I'll just head home, so yeah. Well guys, there was nothing really good there, so oh well, time to head home. It's almost dinner time, and yeah. Well y'all, I'm back home, or back at the house. Anyway, I'm up here on the top deck. Look at that. Nice view, front, the back. Ah, feels nice in the shade. Back. The deck. Hot tub. But yeah. We're gonna have dinner in a bit, and then we're actually going to get ice cream later, so I guess I'll vlog that. But yeah, I guess I'll see y'all later, because I'm gonna be up here on the top, enjoying the view, the breeze. Well, we're here in the mall. We just had ice cream. I would have shown you, but I ate it all. And yeah, things are open, socially distant, kind of. Restaurants are outside, and it's nice and comfy. Yeah. Well guys, we're back home in our actual house. So yeah, this was a good trip. Since next week I'm starting college. Yay. Kind of online, but oh well. Anyway, and in recent-ish news, Russia has a coronavirus vaccine out, and they're giving it away to other countries. I recommend you don't take it, no matter who comes up with it. I don't care if it's Russia, the US, China, I don't know. Whoever, I wouldn't recommend you take it, because who knows what the long-term effects of it are, and well, it's just, I wouldn't take it, you know, because who knows what could be in it. Anyway, but if there's one place you can always turn to during times like these, it's your God. Pray to your God for salvation to get through all this, because things are going to be happening soon. And yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys later. I have to unpack, as you can see. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this, give this a like, consider subscribing if you're not, and share this video out. Goodbye.